Hello guys, my camera's fixed because my parents blew the protection strip because it was covering half of it like this, like that. And today I'm gonna crochet a flower coaster and all the screen focus. But I'm here. Why is my brightness so high? Mommy, can I turn off the lights here?
Shopping surprises for everyone. Shopping surprises for everyone.
So this is, and I made these without any help. And thank you, Vin Crochet, for giving me these. Hi, Ian.
Hello.
Wait. Okay. So I'm gonna crochet and we're gonna stop. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna crochet and I'm gonna show you the final result. So we got one coaster and then got the second coaster. No, coasters. This one is for plates, bowls. I don't know why, but I love it. This last one's so silly. Like first, I'm making one.
Ito mga to, alam ko din, sa alam nyo guys, napaka-helpful po ito. Kung sili kayo din, yung mga ganyan, or yung small water guys, minsan ang ganyan, ganyan lang siya, kung po yung suela tayo. Parang flagship na lang ito eh. Yung pa rin kumagawa ka na ng trail mo. So ito po yun, kung hindi po kayo din yung shoebox nyo or shoe cabinet nyo, I'm gonna do this maybe later after my shower or tomorrow, and then the stuff na pinag-ibili natin. Kanina, of course, sa cashier number 7 sa David na nag-ibili napakasaya nila. Ito lang po yung aking mga pagkakatabi goma, ito yung ating libro, at yung ating pag-folder, our washer na.
I heard people do this.
Nice, di ba? Because we want to organize those shots.
No, I don't. So I finished one of the flowers. Check it out. So I'm gonna show you the results. And we're gonna go back to you and this is still all the cutter, the parts that is still not cutted yet. I'm just gonna put it in. Let's check. Quick take. That was ugly. Ugly. No. Ugly. Shut up. Ugly. With tail. Ugly. With tail. But I'm still pretty in any direction. Like, this is my last name, so that was oh, nothing. I just put this in the final. How many things did I change? Things that I did. Stitch. Oh no.
have stories.
Don't look at me with those eyes.
Ayun na yung MCO. Harmony.
Din lahat, samahan niyo po ako. Saka, again, nagpapasalamat pa rin po sa inyo dahil sobrang from the time na nag-reveal ako hanggang ngayon ay ang saya ko araw-araw, sarap na tulog ko, sarap ng pieces ko. Alam niyo yung I wake up to, this very tricky piece. It's not big of a deal. Pero yung story, wow. And lahat ko yung sabay yung pangin, dugo, buyat, luka, kung ano-ano. Lahat, balakubak, lahat lahok-lahok na po para magawa lang. Ngayon po, ako'y mag-delegate na po ng aking mga kalat at mga pinagbibili ko dyan. So, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell para mag-subscribe ko po. Okay, and we were loving and caring every day. Love you.
I'm not being cringe. This is my actual I'm chubby. I should be like this. I'm actually like this. Yo. This is me. I'm so. But I'm actually gonna be like this. Like keep a little. When I eat healthy food, but I'm actually fat. Look. I see I'm fat. I'm fat. I'm fat. Okay. Shoot. Boom.
Parang national costume. Ayun ba? Pero, South Africa! Yan! O diba, ako sabi ko yung pagiging Miss Universe. Sabi niya si kanina. Ako sa bahay mo. Ayun.
Good morning guys, magpunta kami sa Baguio ng 3:30.
Kita bilang pa pala yung poster ko to. Okay yung po at kita bilang pa.
Good morning guys, magpunta kami sa Baguio ng 3:30 in the morning. Kasi magaling po yan. Siyempre si Ma'am tulog sa loob sa
I gotta go to
back.
Stitch.
Si Sir, kasi yung layo doon sa may likod. Kasi ito po yung waiting place namin. Sunod kami kay yung Karen. Kaya dito niyo po sila ng kotse. Mag-break po kami. Going to Baguio. Umalis kami sa bahay. Mag-break kami na. See you in Baguio guys.
Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment.
Where's the
Of course,
we
no
can call this the
bashing.
chicken. Oh yeah.
It's for fun.
Oh, yeah.
Of course.
Okay. Aka. Hero. What? No. Aka. Ow. Aka.
Oh my gosh, guys, you got
Ow.
Easy Rex, nasa bahay ko lang kami. When I woke up in Baguio na. So guys, ito.
Murasaki, stop.
Hello! Mga nag-welcome sa arena po ninyo.
Saki like this. Aka. It's red. This is pink, but pretend it's red. Ow. Masip.
natin sa Baguio. Siyempre, si Degrida here. And si
Murusaki.
Magloan. Si Kuya
Stamp.
Billy there. And Kuya TJ. Editor. O, diba? Bukas guys, si Ate, si Mang Cariel, susunod po siya sa team Mang Small. Siyempre, si Mang Small daw, so unahan na. Pupunta kami sa Strawberry Farm.
They're letting us try the Sagrado Orange. Welcome. Okay. Oh my God. Ang tamis. Yeah, pang orange. Pang ano yung pang juice. That's good. Wow, it's good. Can you try? Try mo, Inday. Thank you, ha. Very good. Later we'll buy. Hi! So, okay, guys, we're now here in La Trinidad. And you know, it's my first time to be here. And of course, strawberry picking kami. Excited ako. Pero dapat, you know, kasama namin si Dear Karen. Si Karen Dagula. But si Tutsi, guys, naiwan. Kasi na wrong turn. Napunta sa Cannon Road. Hindi daw nag-move. So guys, ako na lang nandito ng si strawberry picking. So, yeah. Yeah, sure. Si Phil na Phil. Ang Baguio, Phil na Phil. Tumutuwa siya. Ang dami daw pala dito ng things. Phil, nakasabit ang coin. Kumuha ka na. Ayan, yung coin. Babe, ang lagi mong problema, belt. Mamuli ka na ng belt dito, please. Every day, naghahanap ng belt.
What's the one that was up on my chicken? Oh yeah,
Yes, ayun, belt.
50. Oh, why did 50 popcorn?
Baka Phil, narinig mo, parang dalaga. Matakot ka na. Parang dalaga. Ay, binasa. Oh my God, ang ganda. Yan ang gusto ko, strawberry. Yan ang gusto ko. Pwede ba may take home ko yan? Kakagating ko? Paano? So guys, okay, I'm wearing par. Kasi guys, feel na feel ka. Negative, akala ko negative yung pala. Positive 15, okay, for today. Because kanina daw, a 10, you know? So, feel ko, akala ko nasa Capri ako. Hi, hello! Okay, let's go. Hi! So, oh my gosh, merong palengke here, look. Ang daming ube, okay, so many strawberries, ube, and fruits.
Oh no, my bags.
Oh my gosh! Gosh, yeah, attention ko. Oh my gosh! What's this nice? Ashton? Hello! Hi! Wow, ayan na yung mga strawberry. Oh my God, look, dito, pinulot lang yung John. Can I? No, malinis. Okay. Oh my God! It's like Korea. It's like Korean strawberry. Sobrang good! Oh my God, I love it! Baby, it's so good. Okay. Hindi natin nakabigyan ng moment yung ashtray. Ang sarap! Babe, may gusto ko pabili sa'yo later, ha? Okay. Yung ashtray. Okay, let's go! Ano na interview mo? Si Jerry, ayan mo na si Jerry. Ayan na, kasama si Francis. Si Francis ang bodyguard. Ang sarap! Parang Korean! Dito po. Oh, masarap po. Masarap! Oh my gosh, I can see some... There's Hollywood here, ha? Oh, this is Bollywood. I thought it's Hollywood. Oh my gosh, I miss Hollywood, ha? But that's nice. Pwede ba ako dun makiat at magpa-photo? No. Baka it will take us how many days to go there? Gusto ko mag-hiking, pero hiking na naka-ano, meron bang bicycle? Mas mahirap pa. Oh my God, ang daming lutuan here. I'm so hungry. I like to eat. We were supposed to eat at my friend's restaurant, Cafe by the Ruins. But, of course, we need to come here early daw kasi later, sobra daw traffic here, ha? Oh, there's kainan here. So guys, feel ko. I thought parang I'm going to Capri. So guys, nandito pala ako sa Benguet. Wala yung pagkacha.
I had to close it because I got a cup to my mouth.
Oh, we just went to the, ang daming tourists here, grabe. So, we're going na talaga to the farm. Oo, ay, lakaran. Hi, hello.
Oh, why am I doing that? Why am I cooking?
Guys, akala ko sa farm na kami. We will go back all the way walking. Kasi daw yung farmer nandun. So, guys, eto na yung exercise ko. Don't bash me, ha? Okay? Oh my gosh! Ang daming strawberry! Oh my gosh! Ang cute! Ano na tayo na kami
With
sa
my
walk.
earphone.
Look,
You know what? Let's just end
ang
it here.
ganda! Look, oh guys. Babe, look. Pwede ba tayo mag-flirtation na ganyan sa roof deck? Dapat sinama si Alden here. Para gagawin niya yan. Tomorrow meron na siyang flirtation. Oh my God. Okay. My gosh, ang daming jelly! I want the jelly. That's what I want. My gosh, nasa strawberry farm pero ang hinahanap guava jelly. May ganyan ba dyan? Jam!
Why am I doing that? Do you know cake?
So, okay guys, we're now here in the parang podcast.
I'm almost done.
You guys are fresh
first.
from broccoli. And I thought this is Gonzales, but
I
it's
wanna-
potato.
I
Oh my
wanna
gosh, ito.
Go
Dito
do
daw
my
na
homework
dito daw
because my
paano
mom
na
said
harvest?
Bye.
Yes! So,
Hello guys, I'm back and I'm so tired. I'm still not done yet. I'm gonna go live
okay,
stream.
now we're here at Sweet Charlie
When I
Road,
get
and of course, start of my
340
strawberry
subscribers.
picking, so let's go!
And all my 331
Oh my
subscribers
gosh, look at that.
Thank
Akin may
you
phone ka. Kuhanan ko lang to.
for
Kasi tinatanong yung
supporting
mother
me
nito.
till the end.
So kasi we're here, mahal. I just wanted to show them that
Oh,
we're here. So guys, we're here on Strawberry Farm in Europe, guys. As far as the eyes can see. Okay, look, I can see it.
So I'm gonna talk about Kanay Kocho because why not? I'm bored.
Pick ako ng nice. And then we will buy.
Yeah.
The
So I'll tell you
or the
all the
strawberry?
shapes of Kanay Kocho eggs.
Oh my! Ay, ang laki ng
So we got
plastic.
Kanay Kocho is
This is the nicest na.
Kocho
Oh my
family.
God, ang laki ha. That's
Has a
big
little
ha.
sister that's named
Okay, oh my gosh, ang ganda.
Shinobu
guys.
Kocho is
So, wow. So, okay,
We're gonna talk
now
about next
here in
video.
Matrinidad,
Where I'm
and
gonna
we're
make
doing the
another one of
strawberry
these.
picking today.
Kanay
Yeah.
Ko-
Oh, Inday, okay ka lang? Okay, good. Inday, show mo nga yung hat mo. Where are you right now? You're in? Oh my gosh, ang taray na pa sa Roxy ng
Kanay Kocho is like so nice,
okay.
like she, and
How much?
her
How much?
goal was and her
Ah,
her goal was
$5. May tax.
Her goal-
With tax,
her
ah.
goal
Okay, with tax.
was
Pinagmamalaki ng tax.
to-
So, okay, mag-pick up na
to be friends with
Wow! So
demons, like
red. So,
demons and humanity be friends. I don't know why. And I think it's like, okay, I really like Kanay Kocho. So and then I started
Okay, guys. Okay,
shipping
start na tayo. Strawberry picking.
Kanay X Black. We're gonna talk about and every ship later on.
So, okay, we'll choose the red ones.
Kanay-
and the bigger
Kanay
ones.
Kocho,
Ito naman, this is LA na.
a Hashira, flower Hashira, but a long time ago, she died because she was not in the scene of Disney. But we saw her in Shinobu's
My friend
backstory.
said, meron daw ito. Totoo ba yun?
And
Kitty?
I have Kanay.
Isang pitik ka lang.
Tung came back, my baby brother was putting me there. Okay.
Hindi ko basta alaga lang. So, meron kayo ibang plantation?
So, Kanay Kocho is like
this May, we can put
dead.
another,
But I heard she was the strongest.
ulit namin ng September.
So, 3 months.
Yes.
3 months wala kang harvest.
I think Yomi was still the strongest in her era.
Dire-diretso.
Everybody, one of those like the AI voices that say Kanay was the strongest in her era. Like she was the strongest, like she was like,
Then, on the second
And I
layer,
said,
meron siyang
okay.
strawberry.
I thought she was strong, so I
This is the strawberry, ma.
and I never gonna.
That's the
Kanai's backstory was like
This is our strawberries. Until, kung depende nga yung size
So, this one,
her eyes
Yes,
are like
ma'am.
so
Until
pretty.
there, until mag Yes, ma'am.
And
How much per kilo to?
780 po, ma'am.
780.
Isang kilo po na.
So, okay,
And,
punta tayo sa other side. kasi
her
mas marami.
backstory was that
So, ang
she
so,
got a love
to,
care
ang lang. Tapos nauuwi
cherry
My
blossom.
sister po, hindi po.
Ah,
Every
Hindi lang
year
daw
that
wala manage but we rented from Benguet State University.
Pero,
Yun po.
kanya-kanya
Every
owner.
season
Yes, ma'am,
until
nagmamanage.
Demon
Oo,
Strike
akala ko
and Jimmy
Benguet
Gilme
University lang ang
killed the
nag-uunong lahat.
Yung lahat, pero yung inuupahan
Kill
namin
the-
yes, we have 55
The demon
farmers
that was
in our
attracted by-
organization.
her mother and father died, and
Yes, ma'am, may 500 square meter,
but
may
they were
1,000
the
square
only
meter.
sisters that
So, nag-enjoy mo
survived.
malamig ba?
Yes,
Sa summer, malamig
In the
ba?
in their
Mainit
house.
din, ma'am. Pag yung
They started
hapon,
living
3 p.m.,
with Jimmy
medyo
Gilme.
mahangin na po siya.
And
medyo
they
malamig.
really made a promise that they would fight together no matter what it takes.
What's the weather?
Yes.
What's the weather?
Depende
And-
kasi hindi naman
Ba't nagaling ba kayo dito?
No. Sa Atok,
And
sa Northern Blossom, yes.
no matter what it takes, if
Upon Baguio, rating
And
din,
if
may
it-
1 to 30 minutes.
and if you die and then you killed it,
Hindi po.
it would still be okay if it's saving a lot of lives.
Hindi, may
Because
zero.
innocent
May standard. Para hindi niya
Kanay
kawin yung iba.
Kocho really
Ito,
wanted to join
yes.
Demon Circle.
Para
But
hindi
Himichi
awin lahat
Megumi
yung mga-
keeps on stopping them so they
Kasi
don't want to
yung
end up
My
dying.
friend told me,
Like-
don't eat right away kasi daw may tea. Totoo
And
yun,
then-
Vivi. Kasi daw, ano daw
And-
yun? Fertilizer.
Yun nga, nag-spray pa.
Yes, if we put kaya yung maiwan na
And,
yung haprak, at least after
they
3 days,
keep on,
mahihim na po siya.
Well,
Yes, ma'am.
plus
Yung mga
Himichi
ganito, 3
Megumi
days, yung mga ganito, 2
is
days.
blind, doesn't mean he has to be like super blind.
Nire-remove na yung mga
Like-
may sira o nakakasama po.
Sometimes,
Okay, kunin ko na to.
Kanay
So,
Kocho
how
and
much per
Shinobu
basket?
Kocho tried
780,
begging
ma'am.
him,
Yung
but
7 kilo po.
Isang
Gomez
kilo.
said
So, isang kilo tong
No.
basket.
Yes, ma'am. Sakto po.
No,
Sakto.
Sakto na
no,
1
may
kilo.
boots.
So, okay, okay, pili pa tayo.
And then
Oy,
they keep on begging, but
Joan, mag-pick kayo.
And then,
Lan, mag-pick
one
na,
day,
mag-pick kayo. Tulungan
that-
tayo para marami akong harvest. Oh,
like a lot of people
hindi pwede.
retired.
Para
They
ikaw,
said
fast forward,
yes.
kailangan.
No, I'm just kidding. They're not
Look,
retired.
hi. Okay.
Like
Oh, saan pa?
one day,
I want to choose- Guys, I'm so excited.
they helped Himichi Megumi with his chores in
Oh my
his
God,
house,
guys,
and
my
then
God, I'm so
they finally started
excited.
from
Imagine
more
nag-harvest
days,
ako ng
like
sarili
more
kong
days
strawberry.
helping him
At
out in the
ito
house
hope
chore.
ko. So,
And
di ba
then
tayo gumawa ng ganito sa
he
Lucia?
finally said,
Teka, Joy!
"Now many
Oh,
other
tulungan.
yes."
Ay, teka,
And then-
wait, tanong mo nga kung pwede sa Manila to?
Well,
kasi sa
first I
Rosbeth,
think
ha?
Kanay
Hindi mo-
Kocho was the first one.
So, malamig daw
The
guys,
first
ang gusto
one,
ng strawberry. So, hindi pwede sa Manila sa Rosebud. Kasi,
Was the first
malalanta lang
one.
sila. So guys, cause nawala,
The first one that did final selection, I
Sa
think,
Karen Road, nandun si Tulsi, so I will just, harvest for them. So, uuwian ko. So, okay, I'll get for Karen, Tulsi, ilang kilo ang gusto? Ni
Did
Karen?
final selection, and then next was I don't know. I think they were the same. And she noticed that her sister was good at drugs. I mean, not medicine or poison, like her father. And then he misses his father, and then they go. And then Kanai Kocho got Hashira level there. And Shinobu got Hinoe. I think, Hinoe or different levels, but with the silver button.
Your own strawberry, and you will eat your own.
And Kanai
you can have
Kocho
your
had
cake,
a
and
sword.
you can do.
And I
Diba,
said,
guys?
wow.
Shut up, no pranks. Okay.
And I just noticed that she keeps saying ara ara. Like, why is the, and she bought the butterfly mansion. After she almost, and then she got the butterfly mansion. I don't know, I never saw
Oh my God!
I never saw Shinobu fight as a Hinoe. What, did she have Door ability strength that time? I'm still learning her backstory. And then one day they saw this girl that's Kanao in the future. Kanao in the future. So they
Okay,
adopted
let's go.
them,
So,
but
DJ, isang ang
a
picture.
bald guy did.
No? Ay, ito, ang dami. Grabe. Babe, ang lalaki.
And they
Look,
felt
that's so big.
bad.
Here.
And
Joanne, it's big here,
so
look.
they
Sila
adopted them
kami
and
daw,
they named
guys.
them
Okay,
Kana
si Phil,
Chutsuri.
nag-help sa akin. Phil, where? Okay. Can we have another basket? So
Kana
guys, what do I
Chutsuri,
do? We're
which
getting
is
like
her
5
real name,
baskets. So,
Chutsuri.
mag-shake ako sa house.
Wait.
And I'll do my, a strawberry jam and
But
I'm
and
so
then
busy
she
my
became
shakes,
final
moving.
selection
And
when
guys,
Kanai
it's
died.
also whey protein routine.
She
And
was
of
in
course,
final
guys,
selection when
love
Kanai
ako
died
nito ng
because,
fresh iba.
or
Basket,
not.
si Phil masyadong
I think
busy.
not. I don't remember. So that time I never saw Kana and we only saw Giyu that time, so we said go Giyu.
Alam mo, there are na malaki, it's bigger, but it's
Oh,
not red, but ito,
I made a
ibang
mistake.
harvest.
Wait
But
guys.
too small. Wow, ang galing hindi. Akin na yan, akin na yan. So, dear Karen, alam ko naman, one of my best friends kita. Close tayo, pero you know what? Isang basket,
And then
780.
they
But since
got
ako naman
mad
ang
because
nag-pick,
Kanai got
2,000
lost.
per basket na lang, okay? Put you all, it remains 780 for you.
So
I love you
okay, we're gonna talk about
Hey,
all the
give
ships.
Karen 2,000, okay? Dear, kasi hindi mo kasi naman mag-strawberry baking, so wala akong kabanter. So, di ba? Wala nang talong story.
Wait,
So, okay, the talong sa farm. Okay. So, guys, okay, you'll be like so fast na picking like mga 20 baskets kasi
and
yung
I made the
mga
OC.
team, they want down also to bring
Don't
home.
mind.
Tita si Rocco daw.
Sino?
Nasa Japan kayo.
Rocco, you have no share. You're in
Kanay.
Japan, Niseko.
Let me
Please.
check.
Okay, wala ka na. Pasalubungan mo ako ng Niseko ice cream. Okay? Okay, see you.
What did
Ay, si Phil masyadong busy. Kapag direct.
what are
Okay,
Kanai?
director,
Can you hear that,
hindi naman
guys?
din mo binigyan ng mic. Masyadong non-stop. Oo,
Wait,
sinisingin nito. Ay, naku, sobra na sa mud.
So we
Guys,
got
look, it's so muddy here.
Oh!
Okay, buti na lang guys.
okay. There's
naka-hunter
Trail.
bush. Naku, yung peanut. Nakuhay. Okay, so Phil, okay, si Phil hindi makamove.
Okay, so we got
Kasi 1 kilo lang to eh.
So dapat
so we got Kanai X.
Okay na nga, we need 20 baskets.
And we got
Siguro, wala, there's not enough big one.
Makisakay ka na lang, bibili tayo sa labas.
okay Kanai X.
Grabe, hirap na ako mag-explain.
Kanai X.
Mas mahal ang
Tengen,
picking. Halika na, tama na.
Kanai X.
Guys, tama na. Huwag na kayo mag-pick. Uwi na tayo.
Okay, Upanay Kanai X.
So,
Of course,
kasi
some.
wala pang flavor. So,
I think there's just
One,
siblings. I'm not gonna
two,
tell. I'm not
and then
gonna
to the
tell it. I'm
north.
not gonna tell it.
Thank you, another one. Oh my gosh,
There's
I'm so
not
happy.
okay.
Wow, super tamis. Sige, pati wiwi.
Kanai X.
Talaga, pinakain mo na?
Why?
Wow!
Why?
No,
Kanai
isa daw.
X Gayuki.
Feel allowed.
Kanai
Feel
X
allowed to
Gayuki.
eat
Kanai
and try.
X.
Wag lang isang
Rengoku
kainin mo.
Rengoku and
So
Doma.
it's allowed. So
No,
guys, I'm done with
Rengoku
my 4
and
baskets
X
and ako lang guys
Kanai
gumawa nito.
X.
Walang nag-help sa akin.
Chuts.
Okay, yun, that's all.
Wait, what's her name again?
Lunch tayo with
Like,
Tita Dear and Tita
Giyu
Kuchiro.
sister. Ah!
So let's go. Mag-pay na. Okay, kayo
Fine.
meron na?
Kanai X
So
Shinobu and
nakakuha tayo ng
Kanai X
10.
Tanyo.
So dear, nakakuha na ako ng 4 baskets for you. So
Okay,
tulad ng
let's
one,
go
so I'll
now.
just
This
buy
is
one
the
for you
worst.
outside.
This is
So,
the
like,
worst.
so kasi
This
maglalansya
is
tayo,
the worst.
napagod na ako, guys.
AF,
Pero,
I'm gonna be
dear, yung babay
BRB.
ko outside. Boys, Javier, you missed the strawberry. So nice. My God, nakaboots pa ako. Puro pa. My God, oy. Dear, you know, I bought for you 5 boxes of strawberry.
Okay.
Siyempre, nag-strawberry
Oh, okay,
picking ako.
guys.
Nag-enjoy ako.
Came back from my AFK.
My God.
AFK. Why am I
So,
saying
dear,
AFK?
dear, at makapagkwento later.
Okay.
I'm done with my.
Dear, na naman.
Ay, ang tanong ko, what can I say? Hollywood in Baguio.
Dear, okay, nangingibabaw. Kaya
And we're gonna go. Go here.
Tulungan ka.
Shoot.
So, dear, you know what?
Grab it.
Okay, I'm so excited
Grab
to check
two,
this hotel.
grab
And you
two,
know what? I got for you 5 boxes of strawberry
grab
and 5
two,
for Kuchiro.
grab
Ang
two,
pag-pick up is
grab two,
780 per
grab,
Oh my God.
shoot,
So maninigit
grab,
ka.
Sa'yo,
two,
ang
grab
dami
two,
worth 2,000
one,
per box.
two,
So,
one,
okay,
two,
mas
three.
malaki Tootsie Roll, 780 kasi nakakaya mabait siya.
Yeah,
Mabait
three.
siya. Maraming chikahan.
Grab,
I'm so
shoot,
excited.
get in 1, 2, and then we get 4. Grab, shoot, get get two. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Magandang
Then we're gonna
Super nice.
pull, grab it with my finger, grab it here, stab it, grab it, and twist it. And grab, shoot.
Our order.
That's
Our main course. So I'll try to slice it, huh? So dear Joanna, so guys, I really know how to cut steak because this is my food every once a year. So okay guys, oh my god, it's so tender and juicy.
Anong animal at stake?
Come.
Okay, bye.
Very good.
So
And
good. See
then
how
we're
the wing
gonna do the final
tomahawk
grab.
Hindi ko din alam.
Dear, okay, kaya kaibigan ko si Karen, kami mo kaming dalawa. Okay, so mag-continue na. Kasi baka mama rin, slice ka. Hindi nila ma-enjoy ang tomahawk. Sila ang tatanong tawag mo dito. Tumawak. Because you were in more than... Hindi mo magaling na tumawak. So, okay. So, sabi ko, it's tomahawk, not.
Slice ko na lang.
Why is it like that? It should be like this.
So, okay, we're waiting for Chef.
Okay.
You're with Chef in the barn, and we're just two of us in the home restaurant. So, guys, I will just...
No, I'm not cutting. I'm just
So,
cutting something.
Guys, okay. Chef, kano ka nakatagal dito while nagsislice ka? Kunwari busy ka. Established to one ka ba? Wow, ang yun. Chef, everything is so delicious, my God. Saan ka culinary?
Ay, wala ako. Mga experience na ko dahil.
Wow!
Tapos yung tulungan ko ng owner, kasi yung mga owner, sila yung parang
Okay, last one.
Tapos yung
Gonna try to get up. Then,
pero may ligil sa palang mag-travel.
Mahilig mo
and this is the two coasters that we finished.
2019 pero na-operate ko 2020.
Wait,
Pero si Karen Davilo, ilang beses na kumain dito.
this one.
Ay, hindi ko na pwede.
Ay, napanood ko kasi sa mga napanood ko si Karen nag-interview sa Facebook ko na. Ang sarap niya ako yung dito kasi
Bye, guys.
isa dito, sa the bar na sila pag umakyat
Wait, first
kasi
I want to knock.
Kailangan mo magkakagdan mo na bago magugusto sa mga sobrang dami mo stairs bago nakarating. Paano yan pagka mga 75 years old na? Paano kung kakain sa the bar, puro stairs?
Ay, kapag may mga concealer naman po, kasi may yung stairs namin, wala kami concealer. Nasubukan namin, binubuhat.
Bye, guys.
Sarap ng food dito.